Hey everyone! In the past few months, a certain faceless YouTube channel has managed to earn between $2,600 and $42,000 simply by uploading straightforward animated videos like this one. This channel has amassed over 500 million views in total, which is nothing short of amazing. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can start your very own YouTube automation channel using this method. Now, you might be thinking, aren't there already animation tutorials on YouTube? And you'd be right, but here's the catch. Most of these so-called gurus aren't completely honest with you and rarely provide a genuine step-by-step blueprint for launching your first YouTube business. Instead, they often focus on racking up their own views. However, I'm here to give you the real deal. Stick around till the end, and you'll have everything you need to know to start your own automated YouTube channel. No exaggeration. We're going to cover everything from creating the channel and designing the logos to writing scripts and crafting our first video together. By the end of this video, you'll be on your way to becoming a YouTube automation expert. There are 5 main components to creating a successful video, and I'm also going to share a special tip at the end, based on my experience running multiple faceless YouTube channels. This one tip can help you make even more money from your channel. That's what you're here for, right? Typically, people spend thousands of dollars buying courses for this kind of information, but today, I'm offering it to you for free. So sit back, relax, and let's dive in. Step 1. Creating your YouTube channel. The first step is to set up a YouTube channel and develop a unique brand for it. Head over to your YouTube studio to create a new channel. If you're already familiar with the basics of creating a channel and a logo, feel free to skip ahead using the timestamps provided. For those new to this, click on your profile icon on the right side, switch accounts, and select View All Channels. Then click Create a Channel. Choose a name that fits your niche. I personally use ChatGPT to generate some animal-themed names for kids' content. Feel free to use the same prompt to come up with your own ideas. Once you've chosen a name, copy it, paste it into the name field, and create a corresponding username. Then, ask ChatGPT to create a brief channel description with a few emojis to boost engagement. Copy and paste that into your bio. Don't worry too much about the logo at this stage. We'll get to that later. Now let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Writing a script. Now, we're ready to dive into video creation. Most people will tell you to use a paid AI tool via their affiliate link, but we're going to use ChatGPT, an incredibly powerful and completely free tool. Decide on the theme of your video. For instance, today, we're exploring sea animals. Ask ChatGPT to generate a script for an educational video about a shark, an octopus, and a sea turtle, highlighting their unique features. Once the script is ready, simply copy it into a document. Now that we have our script, let's move on to the next step, adding a high-quality voiceover. Step 3. Adding a voiceover. We'll use 11 Labs for the voiceover. Open up 11 Labs and paste the script generated by ChatGPT. To make the voice sound more natural, feel free to add punctuation like question marks or exclamation marks to add emotion. Select a voice that suits your content and adjust the settings. Once you're satisfied, hit the Generate button and let 11 Labs do its magic. After the voiceover is generated, give it a listen to ensure it's just right. If you're happy with the outcome, go ahead and download the file. Repeat this process for the entire script to maintain a consistent tone throughout the video. Step 4. Creating an animated background. For this step, we'll use Canva. Open Canva and choose a suitable background that complements your video's theme. Start with a still background without any extra elements or animations. To add some dynamic movement to your background, we'll use Loopix. Simply open Loopix, upload the background from Canva, and tweak the settings until you're satisfied with the animation. Next, go back to Canva, upload your recorded video, and add any additional elements you want in your video. This is where you can let your creativity shine by incorporating images, elements, or animations to enhance the educational experience for your viewers. Don't forget to include the voiceover we created earlier to ensure each animal is introduced at the appropriate time. Step 5. Creating a speaking character. To make your video more engaging, let's create a speaking character using Adobe Express. Search for Free Animation Maker for YouTube on Google and click the link for creating animations. Choose a character that fits your content. I selected one named Hopscotch. Customize the character by enabling a green screen background and setting the correct size for YouTube videos. Import the voiceover files we created earlier and watch as your character comes to life. Once you're satisfied with the results, download the animated character video. This will be a crucial element in our final video assembly. Step 6. Editing and finalizing the video. With both the animated background and character video ready, it's time to combine everything and finalize your YouTube video. You can use any editing software, but today we'll use CapCut. Import all the files, the background video, character video, and voiceover, and arrange them on the timeline in the desired order. Use the chroma key effect to remove the green screen from the character video, seamlessly integrating the character with the animated background. Adjust the size and position of the character as needed, ensuring it doesn't obstruct any important visuals. To prevent audio conflicts, mute the audio of one of the files, ensuring your voiceover and background music don't clash. Step 7. Creating a logo and optimizing for SEO. Finally, let's create a logo using Canva. Choose the Instagram post format and add your speaking character next to a background that matches your content theme. For mine, I chose an ocean background. Now for a bonus tip, you can also hire me on Fiverr for making these type of monetizable videos. You can find my Fiverr profile link in description. SEO optimization. Use tools like vidIQ to find trending keywords for your niche and insert them into your video tags. Generate an attention-grabbing title and description to boost your video's visibility. To monetize your channel, you'll need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Once you hit these milestones, you can start earning a few $1,000s a month. Additionally, consider creating a print-on-demand brand, selling merchandise, and diving into affiliate marketing. Don't forget to subscribe for more content creation tips. See you in the next video.